Okay, we're going to take a quick look at the Deploy Technologies Rapid Deployment Starlink kit. This kit uses the version 4 Gen 3 standard antenna, and it ships in a plastic shipping box, and it is secured into the box with the locking tabs to hold that in place. Has the kickstand, and we can add a variety of different options. This is one we use for the search and rescue. That's a big ball mount with the adapter that goes in, and that allows us to move it from different ball mount positions on vehicles or trailers, so that's always an option. And of course, you can get any of the Starlink roof mount is my recommendation for a good mount. If you're going to be using an RV, you can put that on this and use it in a variety of ways, or mount that onto an RV. For the rental packages, it'll come with the basic kickstand, and then inside the antenna comes out, and the router has got a bracket here, so that's locked in place there. Cable lays underneath it. Comes with the standard cable, the power cable for the power supply, and that has the cable that plugs in for the router. And we can do options if you need to. If you're going to run it primarily 12 volt, you can either use a small 400 watt, 600 watt 12 volt inverter, or we can package with a 12 volt up converter. This takes 12 up to 46 on this version, and that's an option. But everything comes in this package, nice and easy to ship. Just lay that back in and snap it. It's got a piece back here that stops it from sliding this way, and then the tabs will hold it in place. And then when we ship them, there'll be foam in here to take up this space if there isn't other equipment. Otherwise, the equipment will be positioned in and around the foam on the deck. So thanks for looking. Appreciate it. If you need more information, or you'd like us to put a kit together for you, or if you need a rental, give us a shout at Deploy Technologies, and it's 866-420-1818. Thank you very much.